you heard the good news? There is somebody who loves you. His name is Jesus. He is the one. Born on Christmas, we're gonna have some fun. From the back of the room, all the way to the front. Wherever you are, come on and jump, jump, jump. Sing it, hey, everybody. Come on and lift your hands. Sing it, hey, everybody. It's time to sing it, dance, dance, hey. It's a party, we're gonna make some noise. Lift up your voice. Hey. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Break out the presents, hang up the lights. We're getting ready, gonna party tonight. So tell all your friends, this is the truth. It's Jesus' birthday, we're inviting you too. From the back of the room, all the way to the front. Wherever you are, come on and jump, jump, jump. Sing it, hey, everybody. Come on and lift your hands. Sing it, hey, everybody. It's time to sing it, dance, dance, hey. It's a party, we're gonna make some noise. Lift up your voice. Hey. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. From the back of the room, all the way to the front. Wherever you are, come on and jump, jump, jump. Sing it, hey, everybody. Come on and lift your hands. Sing it, hey, everybody. It's time to sing it, dance, dance, hey. It's a party, we're gonna make some noise. Lift up your voice. Hey. Happy, happy birthday. Hey, everybody. Come on and lift your hands. Sing it, hey, everybody. It's time to sing it, dance, dance, hey. It's a party, we're gonna make some noise. Lift up your voice. Hey. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday.
You know what time it is?
Time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse.
Oh, hey friends, it's me, Poppy. I'm so glad you're here. Do you see my new Christmas pajamas? Look at all these fun animals. My pajamas are for our clubhouse Christmas pajama party. And I'm in charge of getting all the supplies. Now, what do we need for a Christmas pajama party? Yes, lots of Christmas pajamas. And party horns. Oh, and we'll want some music so we can sing and dance. This is going to be such a great party.
Hoo, hoo.
It's Ollie.
Hello, Poppy. Hoo, hoo. I can see that you're making a list. Is there a party that I have missed?
Not yet, Ollie. We're getting ready for a Christmas pajama party. I'm in charge of getting all the party supplies.
Christmas is a special day. It's true. And I have a story about why just for you. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
La la la. Hi friends, it's almost Christmas. Are you getting excited? Me too. And look at this. I have so many Christmas cards to deliver today, but none of these are more important than this. It's our story mail. Are you ready for the true story of Christmas? Great, here we go. Okay, so the true story of Christmas began when an angel told Mary she was going to have a special baby named Jesus. And that baby was going to be super special because, drumroll please, Jesus was God's son. That's right. God loves us so much that he gave us his son, Jesus. Today's story is about when Jesus was born. Look, it's Mary and Joseph. What is Mary riding on? Do you know what that animal is? A donkey, you're right. What does a donkey say? Hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw. Great job. Mary and Joseph needed an animal like a donkey to get to the town of Bethlehem. When they got to Bethlehem, they needed to find a place to stay. So Joseph knocked on a door to see if they had a room. Everybody knock with me. Ready? Knock, knock, knock. The man said there was no room for them, but they could stay in the stable out back. So Mary and Joseph went to sleep in a stable where all the animals stayed. Listen, what animals do you hear? A horse, that's right. What's this one? A chicken, that's right. What's this one? A sheep, that's right. What about this one? It's a baby. Jesus was born. Everyone say, "Happy birthday, Jesus." Happy birthday, Jesus. Mary wrapped baby Jesus up and put him in a manger. Wow, the most special baby in all the world had been born. Jesus is special because Jesus is God's son. That is why we celebrate Christmas. Jesus was born, and Jesus is God's son. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Tell me, why is Jesus special?
Jesus is God's son. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, why is Jesus special?
Jesus is God's son. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. I'll see you next time.
So there's your story, and it's all true. Jesus is special. He was born for me and you.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, Jesus was born near animals like cows and sheep. Jesus is special because Jesus is God's son. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. I know one more thing we need to add to the list. A birthday cake, because Christmas is Jesus' birthday. Oh, and a candle. See you guys next time. Bye!
God loved the world so much that he gave his only son. John 3:16. God loved the world so much that he gave his only son. John 3:16.